Here is my Mini-ITX PC build. All in all, including the Windows 11 installation key, gonna be roughly about $512. Starting with an ALIEXPRESS Honda A520 SD4 white ITX motherboard. We're going to put in a Ryzen 5600G, and I'm actually going to run this using integrated graphics for a little while. We're going to power it with a 750 watt SEGOTEP power supply. You notice I have the PCI riser here. I'm going to add some GPUs at some point. It's going to have 32 gigabytes of Pinnacle 3200 megahertz DDR4 RAM. That's 32 gigabytes. I think I said that. I'm going to need to add a Wi-Fi card. Going to put a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD by Team Group. And it's going to go into this white ITX case that I found on NEWEGG. So there's my build. Hope you keep on the lookout for that and what I'll be doing with it.